Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the mfc140u.dll was not found error on your Windows PC. First, download and install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable files from the official Microsoft website. Download both versions, x86 and x64, and install both, even if you're using 64-bit Windows. Run the x86 setup first. If you see Repair, click it. If you see Install, complete the installation. After that, do the same with the x64 file, then restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, check if the error is fixed. If the error is still there, open Command Prompt as Administrator, run sfc/scan now, and wait for the scan to finish. Restart your PC again and check. If the problem continues, open Control Panel, go to Programs. Uninstall a program. Uninstall all Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable entries. Restart your computer and reinstall the latest x86 and x64 versions. One of these steps should fix the mfc140u.dll missing error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.